So I have the U-Hand tool. Now this is a multi-function device right here for professional networking, or even yourself if you want to go ahead and use it while you're at home, setting up a network system with it. So I do have a cable right here ready to go for it. We're going to go ahead and show you exactly how to use this tool right here. It has so many functionalities with it. It's going to go ahead and increase your productivity by about 50% total on it. So here it is. The first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is actually take off the jacket of this network cable right here. So it does have that right here functionality built into it. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this here up. So there's two different sizes with it. And you can also change the size by increasing this knob right here. But mine's exactly where I need it to be. So all I do now is go ahead and just spin this around. I don't have to push it down or anything. Just go ahead and spin this right here around like this. And then I can go ahead and just pull off just like that with it to go ahead and expose our threads inside of here. So we got 4 of them in here. So we'll go ahead and take these right here. Now the next thing is we have the other functionality built in. This here is the untwist function. All we have to do is go ahead and put our cables inside of here, and we're going to go ahead and twist it out. And then at the same exact time, we're also going to straighten them too. So it's pretty easy. You just go ahead and put it in just like that. And you're going to go ahead and slowly turn this right here while you're pushing in a little bit. That's all you have to do. Pretty easy to do like that. And then you're going to go ahead and push this down like this to straighten it. And you're going to go ahead and do 45 degrees this way with it. And then you're just going to go ahead and pull it straight out like that. And you're going to have nice straight cables. Look at that. Nice straight cables now with it. Let's try it one more time here. So let's go ahead and put the thread inside of here. Put our wires in there. We'll go ahead and untwist these wires right here, nice and slow, while pushing in a little bit. We go ahead and push this right here in like that. Give it a 90 degree. Go parallel with it, and we go ahead and pull it straight out. And then we have nice straight cables. Look how easy that is to use. And we just keep going all the way around here. It's going to go ahead and untwist it and also straighten it out too as well. So it's a great networking tool right here with it. This here is by U-Hand, the U-Hand tool. And I hope you found this helpful.